make maze on scratch. This is the project which we are going to make today, maze, and I'm going to show you how it works. And when the cat touches the black line, it goes back to the starting position. I can't do this maze faster, so I'll just take this cat and keep it here and show you what will happen if the cat touches the rat. It says I got my food, then plays a sound meow. Now create a backdrop, pick the square and choose any color you want and draw in the full backdrop. Then write here, welcome to maze. Also make this size full like this, and then create another backdrop. And here do the same, pick a square and change the color you want and draw it in the full screen. Then take this text and take the color you want and write here, player is cat. Then write mouse food. Then write here, press the arrow keys. Then write up, down, left, right. Then pick a maze and click open, and then choose it, take it like this and make it like this. Keep it in the full screen. Then go to code and take a green flag option and take switch costume to backdrop 1. Then take a wait 1 second block. Then go to looks again and take another switch backdrop to backdrop 2. Then wait for 3 seconds and change it to maze and see whether it's working like this. And in the backdrop we also need to draw one thing. Draw the arrows here like this. Like this. Then go to code and let's code for the cat. Also, don't forget to take a rat. Take this, set its size to 30 and keep it here. Go to its costume, delete the costume you don't want, any one costume. Here, wherever there is black, change it to grey like this. Then go to code and let's do coding for the cat. Keep a green flag option and a forever block. Then keep 4 if blocks. Then go to sensing and keep here up arrow. Then keep down arrow, then right, and the last one left. Then go to motion and scroll down and in up arrow keep change y by 10 and change it by 5, and in the other one keep it by -5, and in right arrow keep change x by 5, and in the other one left keep it by -5, and see whether the cat can go up, down, left and right. Then take another green flag option and a forever block. Then take an if block, only one if block, and write here if touch mouse 1. Then take say block and write there I got my food. Then go to sound and take this start meow and duplicate this and in this one just delete this and go here and take here touch color black, and don't choose it black, just click on this button here and choose the maze color. And delete this say block and start sound meow and keep here. Slide towards this position here and see whether the cat is gliding like that. See whether it's working. You can also reduce the cat size again. Then it will be easy to play. And then in the mouse, keep a green flag option and keep the rat in the position you want. And go to motion and take this go to block and keep it here. And see whether it's working like this. When the cat touches the black, it should come back to its position. We can't play it so fast, so you can just keep it here and see whether when the cat touches the rat, whether it's saying I got my food. It says I got my food. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon.